Just leave me alone. I think they might be dead. Maybe.
In case you're wondering what that is, that's Skyla's hiccuping.
Leave me alone! I can't control it, it just happens. Maybe they're done.
Maybe. Are they? Aw, Skyla, you need to stop.
I can't! This is so
I bet they
embarrassing.
hurt.
They do hurt. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. They hurt.
Oh, but.
Oh, Coke!
Don't knock over my Coke.
I'm stuck. This is like so exhausting.
I think they're done.
They're not, because my heart's still beating fast.
Oh, okay. I don't like the way my voice sounds on camera.
Oh, I don't either.
What?
I don't either. I don't like the way my hiccups sound either. Don't put this on YouTube.
What?
Please. So embarrassing.
Nobody knows who you are.
Why are you so close to me?
Because you look far away even when I'm close.
We're good.
Okay, they're done.